The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. A journey into timeless investment wisdom. Welcome, listener. Today, we'll dive into a book that has stood the test of time, a masterpiece that has shaped the minds of the greatest investors in history. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham isn't just a book about stocks or finance. It's a manual for mastering your emotions, understanding value, and building lasting wealth. As we explore Graham's key principles, remember this: his goal isn't to make you rich overnight but to make you a thoughtful, disciplined, and intelligent investor. Let's begin. Investment versus speculation. Imagine standing at a casino table. The gambler next to you bets on the turn of a card, hoping for a jackpot. That's speculation. Now picture someone calmly analyzing opportunities, weighing the odds, and planning for the long haul. That's investing. Benjamin Graham teaches us to avoid speculation. True investors don't rely on luck, they rely on logic, research, and patience. The key? Buy assets with intrinsic value, not fleeting hype. The power of staying calm. Meet Mr. Market. Picture a wildly emotional business partner named Mr. Market. Each day, he offers to buy or sell shares in your business. Some days, he's euphoric, offering sky-high prices. Other days, he's depressed, practically giving shares away. What should you do? Graham says to stay calm. Don't let Mr. Market's mood swings dictate your decisions. Instead, take advantage of his irrationality. When he's pessimistic, buy. When he's overly optimistic, sell. Always remember, the market is your servant, not your master. How to analyze stocks. Imagine walking into a room filled with businesses. How do you choose which ones to invest in? Graham gives us a checklist. Earnings stability. Has the company shown consistent profits over time? Strong financials. Does it have a solid balance sheet with manageable debt? Dividends. Does it reward shareholders with regular payouts? Graham's advice is simple: stick to businesses you understand, and avoid chasing complex, flashy investments. The defensive investor, investing made simple. Are you the kind of person who wants steady returns without spending hours analyzing markets? Then you're a defensive investor. Your strategy is to focus on safety, stability, and simplicity. Graham suggests: 1. Diversify between stocks and bonds. 2. Pick large, established companies with a proven track record. 3. Avoid high-risk, speculative ventures. This approach is perfect for anyone looking to grow wealth steadily while sleeping soundly at night. The enterprising investor, for the ambitious. Now, if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and dive deep into the world of investing, you might be an enterprising investor. This path requires effort, research, and discipline. Graham's strategy includes hunting for undervalued stocks, those trading below their intrinsic value. Exploring unique opportunities, like companies undergoing mergers or temporary setbacks. Being disciplined, never overtrade or let emotions cloud your judgment. But remember, ambition without knowledge can lead to costly mistakes. The margin of safety, your ultimate shield. Imagine building a bridge designed to carry 10-ton trucks. Would you allow 10-ton trucks to cross it? Of course not. You'd build extra strength into the bridge, a margin of safety. Graham insists on applying this principle to investing. Always buy stocks at a discount to their intrinsic value. This cushion protects you from market volatility, unexpected downturns, or miscalculations. A margin of safety isn't just a concept, it's your shield in the unpredictable world of investing. Key takeaways for all investors. 1. Invest for the long term. Wealth isn't built by chasing fads or timing the market. Be patient. 2. Control your emotions. Fear and greed are the enemies of intelligent investing. 3. Focus on value. Always prioritize intrinsic value over speculative excitement. 4. Diversify smartly. Spread your investments to manage risk. 5. Stick to principles. Don't get swept away by market euphoria or despair. The art of intelligent investing. Graham's wisdom is about more than money, it's about cultivating a disciplined mindset and learning to think independently. The intelligent investor isn't the one with the highest IQ or the fastest trades, it's the one who stays grounded, rational, and patient. So, whether you're a novice or a seasoned investor, remember, wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Armed with Graham's principles, you can navigate the markets with confidence and purpose. Thank you for listening, and may your journey to intelligent investing be as rewarding as the lessons from this timeless classic.